Before we get into the details, let's first understand what coughing really is. Coughing is actually a vital reflex that helps clear the throat and airways. Think of it as your body's natural defense mechanism, expelling irritants from your respiratory tract at speeds that can reach up to 100 miles per hour. There are ranging from acute, which usually come on suddenly and last up to 3 weeks, to chronic coughs that can linger for more than 8 weeks. Persistent coughing can seriously impact your quality of life, causing discomfort, fatigue, and even disrupting your sleep. When it comes to managing coughing symptoms, many people turn to over-the-counter cough suppressants. Common options include dextromethorphan and guaifenesin, found in popular brands like Robitussin, Vicks, and Mucinex. But if you're concerned about the long-term use of medications, there's a more natural alternative you might not have considered: the sauna. Yes, you heard that right. A sauna session could help manage your coughing symptoms. According to a 2017 study published in Springer Plus, regular sauna bathing may reduce the risk of respiratory diseases like cough, asthma, and even pneumonia. In this study, 1,935 middle-aged men were observed over 25 years. Those who visited the sauna 2 to 3 times per week had a 27% lower risk of developing respiratory issues, while those who went 4 or more times a week had an impressive 41% lower risk. Even the risk of pneumonia dropped significantly by 28% for those with 2-3 weekly sessions, and by 37% for those with 4 or more. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Cardiopulmonary Rehabilitation and Prevention further supports the benefits of sauna bathing for lung health. This study involved over 2,200 participants aged 42-61 and found that those who used saunas frequently, between 2 to 7 times per week, had a 21% lower risk of developing pneumonia compared to those who used them less often. Interestingly, the study also found that high levels of inflammation, indicated by high-sensitivity C-reactive protein SCARP, were linked to a 30% higher risk of pneumonia. However, frequent sauna sessions appeared to counteract this risk, suggesting that regular sauna use might do more than just relax you. It could also contribute to better lung health. What about asthma? A 2001 study published in the American Journal of Medicine explored the effects of sauna bathing on asthma patients. The results were promising. Sauna sessions temporarily improved pulmonary function, including vital capacity and ventilation. So, is a sauna good for coughing? While it may not be a cure-all, the research suggests that regular sauna use can offer significant benefits for respiratory health, potentially easing symptoms of coughing, improving lung function, and even reducing the risk of serious conditions like pneumonia and asthma. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Stay healthy, and see you next time.